Hey guys, in this lecture we will talk about some important tools we can use to convert image into material. So let's start with a sample. Okay, so I'm adding here in my assets and let me grab this. And now I have this here and I can drag it in my layers. Okay. And now it's giving me a template. So I want to select AI powered, but if you don't have really good graphic card, you can go for B2. But I'm keeping AI powered. Okay. So next, let's go to create. And now you can see this sample here. So if you want to see just one part, just press D key. And now you can see just this part. Okay. The first thing we want to do, we want to fix this corner. Okay. So this part is missing. So what we can do, we can go to clone stamp and we can select a source. Okay. So suppose I want to paint this part. Okay. So what I can do, I can press and hold control key and I can take this and now I can paint it here. And this way I completed this part. Yeah, it looks good. But still, yeah, you can go back and you can paint it again. So I fixed this corner. Yeah, when you are using clone stamp, you can expand your mask if you want to expand. So you can see I painted the small part and now I'm expanding it. Okay, so you can do that. You can use this to blend your piece. You can use blur mask to make it a little blurry. So these are the options you can use for a clone stamp. Even you can scale it. Let me do it. Yeah, you can rotate it. Okay. So these are the options we can try for clone stamp. Okay, now let's go to a crop. Okay. And now I wanna see, sorry. Okay. So here, okay, let me set this to default. Okay, now I can see. So now I can go for crop. So when I'm doing crop, can you see this is not straight, okay? So we need to fix perspective. So what I can do for that, I can go here and I can click on this or I can bring that layer from here, okay? So perspective, perspective, transform. And now I can move these points, yeah? I'm making it straight. So just grab these points and try to make it straight. Yeah. Now it looks straight, and I can go for tiling. Uh, we wanna get a seamless material, right? So let me add tiling. So maybe you are thinking why we are not using make it tile filter here. So let me show you if you wanna try that. We have stripe in this, and for this kind of pattern, it's good. We use tiling instead of make it tile, because in make it tile, we get a no, another layer. You can see it's making, like, we can see more seam here instead of tiling, right? So that's why we are not using make it tile, because we have this extra portion here and it's not making seamless. So now let me close it and turn it on. And now if you want to see the whole fabric, press T key and you can adjust your tile. Okay. You can move this side. Sorry, let me turn on this. And even when you are doing tiling, you can these, so you can see what's going on. Okay, let me apply it. It's saying it's not available. Let me delete it. Tiling and try it again. And let me turn on seam and let me turn on, yeah, edges. It's already turned on. And now I can tweak this all. You can see when I'm going here, I'm getting the gray part. It means I need to keep it somewhere here. And also I can blur edges. I can make it smooth. And even I can adjust from here. And let me turn off this. And I don't want to see. And now press T key again. And now you can see this swatch. And now it looks good. And even you can increase tiling. Okay, so it's 4, you can go for 5, 6, or maybe you can reduce it. And we can change light. We can remove shadow or we can add shadow. And here we can tweak a height scale. If you wanna go a little bit high, you can type like 0.05, but I wanna keep it 0.01. It looks good. And now I can export it. So I can go here and now I can say export as, this is my demo. And yeah, make sure you increase resolution and Yeah, you can select the format from here and then you can say export. Or you can directly send to Stager and you can apply on your model. So yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.